Hello, it's Michael from Infinity Energy Solutions. We're in completion of a job where our client Bluescope Steel would like the air conditioning units treated with an anti-corrosive corrosion treatment. The outdoor coils were treated with a blue Aeris environmental anti-corrosion treatment. All the covers have been taken off the units, treated with a clear anti-corrosion treatment, also treated. The PC boards were sprayed with a clear lacquer to help reduce the likelihood of tracking between components, and we have a 12-month certified warranty on these units when they're installed. Each 12 months we go back and just touch up little bits here and there on panels that may have been scratched or damaged, or coils that may have been dented or scratched, but it's withstands 18,000 hours of salt spray testing.